welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. Ufakazile went to Mshengu to ask him to help find the kids because Banabazamile, they couldn't find them. But Mshengu refused. He begged them not to get Umamchun arrested, but they refused. Manje Umamchun is no more. Even if they apologize, the apology is not going to bring back Umamchun. Udonga speaks to Mshengu saying, how Baba umuntu onjani ongafuna ukuthola abazukulu bakhe, why won't you help find the kids? Athi nje umsebenzi kaNcubeko le. I begged him not to get Mamchun arrested wancaba, but ugcine evumile nje at that point when Mamchun was no more. And then Nomsa uses the card, the joint card yakhe noNcubeko to purchase something online for delivery and realizes she messed up. Uncubeko is going to see this and then decides she's going to take the kids for a road trip. Uncubeko gets a notification about the purchase and realizes, okay, now I can track Unomsa. So they go there Nofakazile Nomakazi to look for the kids. When they get there, the kids, they're no more. They're too late, but they find a mindset Katulan to show that they were there. So they start panicking, thinking, what has Nomsa done to the kids? And then Uncubeko phones Nomsa. Nomsa picks up and says, Yazin, I think when Uncubeko, I only left you for 2 minutes and then I come back. Usushado Nofakazile. You guys are now all lovey-dovey. Nyathandana ngathi niyapambana. No one cares about Nomsa, no one cares about me. Bathi bayaxolisa Ufakazile, I'm so sorry athi Nomsa, but you took my husband. So now I took the kids. Now nje and make your own kids because these ones now belong to me. But bamnceke please pretend the kids asinje. She refused. And then Ufakazile is struggling to cope. She can't even eat. Please eat. We'll find the kids. As I'm not so sure anymore. I'm scared what Nomsa is going to do to the kids. And then Khathazile speaks to Ndumiso, begging him to fire Udidi on the rocks. I think she wants Udidi to focus on her studies. As Ndumiso yini, am I exploiting her? Did she complain about me exploiting her or something? Ati Ukhathazile I just wanted to focus. Ati Ndumiso I feel like it's the best time for her to make her own money so she can be independent. So she doesn't have to keep on going to school for each and everything. And then Ukhathazile decides to speak to Thoba. Why would you go for your brother's baby mama? Atu Thoba nje. Uthoba managed to tell Ukhathazile about everything that transpired. Udidi was supposed to be his, but Usbuso decided to take her for himself because is the golden boy. Wamthatha, wamkhulelisa, now he wamlaqaza nje because Usbuso never loved Udidi. Ukhathazile was shocked because he did not know this information. Wahamba ke wayencenga Udidi ukuthi ahlukane noThoba, but Udidi said, no, I do love Thoba. I'm not going to break up with him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.